Hey, it's your girl Pranvi Arora back with another fun episode of Love It Listed. And today I'm with someone really special. Meet Hope, my best buddy and one who always loves me unconditionally. And today, me and Hope both are in mood for some yummy snacks and treats. And I have found the perfect spot for us. So let's go. Come on.
Hi, nice to meet you too.
I was looking for a place to, where I could take my dogs to. So I found your account through scrolling.
That's great. So this is why we opened this Papeterie Cafe, where you can come and have a nice meal with your pet and enjoy a meal for yourself as well.
I did had a look at the menu as well.
This is our menu. We have two separate menus, one for humans and one for pets.
Damn. And they're very similar, almost
Yes, so
similar.
as you can see, we've tried keeping similar stuff for pets and their humans. Like if you see the eggs, we have souffle, omelette for pets and their humans. We have pancakes for both. We have pastas for both, quesadillas for both. Hi, cutie. What's her name?
Her name is Hope.
Hi, Hope. How are you? What does she enjoy eating? Maybe I can
She-
suggest something accordingly.
She loves her eggs. She's not very finicky. She loves some fruits. She is okay with dahi curd. She's okay with that.
That's great. We have a lot of items made out of these ingredients that you just mentioned. So I'll just ask my team to prepare something really nice for her and get some treats, some nice meals for her to enjoy with you.
For sure. I hope she loves it. When did you start?
So I started with just Papeterie as a bakery 7 years back when my dog came into my life. Just keeping in mind how we as pet parents are so conscious about what to give them to eat. We started this brand. We make everything gluten-free, no preservatives, nothing artificial in them. That's how we started the brand. But now I thought it was time to expand a little and give a nice space for pets and their humans to enjoy food and some bakery items by Papeterie.
I love it.
We have a lot of treats for pets, veg treats, non-veg treats. We've tried keeping them very nutritious for them. We do not add anything artificial in them, no preservatives. We have some bones also that they can chew on to keep them busy for a while. So we always make sure to ask all our customers if they are talking to us while placing the order. We always make sure to ask them if their dogs are allergic to anything, if they enjoy eating something specific. Accordingly, we suggest the treats and the cakes and the meals for pets. So we are a little careful about what we are giving our customers. Just like how all pet parents are a little, finicky about and cautious about what they give their pets to eat. So here we have some quesadillas for humans and their pets. These quesadillas are made of spinach and egg, with chicken filling inside. And same for the humans, we have the chicken filling inside for them to eat the quesadillas. Here we have a few drinks for pets and humans. This is a coffee with whipping cream for humans and puppuccino for their pets. Here is some refreshing blueberry smoothie for pet parents and their pets.
Hope, do you want to try quesadillas with me? Big bite. Good girl. That's it. So guys, Hope has finished her plate. It's time for me to try some human food as well. So let's try some smoothie. Nice, yummy blueberry and yogurty and creamy. Let's try some quesadilla. You're not getting this. You have already eaten yours. This goes so well together. Hope, you want to try your smoothie again? You want to try your smoothie again? We are matching right now.
So here we have pastas for you and your furry friend. Your pasta is a red sauce pasta with a slice of garlic bread, and for your pet we have pink sauce pasta with the coconut bread. So this sauce is made of beetroot and hunkered. It's a pink sauce pasta with a slice of coconut bread that we make ourselves. Now we have some yummy pancakes for you and your pet to enjoy with some little bit of whipping cream and some berries on the side. Now we have some cheesecake for you and your pet. For pets, we have made this cheesecake with cottage cheese and a little bit of cream cheese and eggs. And for you, we have a Bass cheesecake. Goes best with either chocolate sauce or a little bit of caramel sauce.
That's it for today's episode of Love It Listed. I am Chandni Arora, reminding you to always share a treat with your best friend. See you next time. Bye-bye from now. Hope